Keblai Pibaro Shikatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta kesni kilong. Poi ki Samla Tibetan na bom lepas de kitup tuk ha Shillong. Kentu ke FKJGP ban penteri kamno ya ke Rural Entrepreneurship Center ha Sok Paru. Kejing ais ngobha de ke Yingshong kelongkum kejing a jing im ong ba Peter. Bat da ke grand finale la penkut ya kejing kop ruai ha ampati. Bat mentangin pa shi ke Khubor bakam banya. Kekenhon jeng ki samlanya tuk Tibetan ki belami na bom lapas ha ka art po tarik unai wing. Ka kapot India Tibet ha Arunachal Pradesh ha ka jingya linti shi ki arpo tli ki nongba kari India ki lapoi menta ha Shillong. President Tibetan Youth Congress Gonpo Dhunduk ulai thu akinong tho Khubor ha Shillong ya ka jing thmu jong kani ka kenhon nya tuk lani ka bike rally ka leng kinong ba kari India. Kalong ban pinbana perthai ya ka jingle to met ka sarkar China ya ki jat ban riu kari Tibet ki bala penjot bat penduk thiau ya ka dustur kari ti jong kini ki jat ban riu. Ban kerpat ya kiri ke perthai ban kershan ya ki jat ban riu Tibet ban yok biang ya ka jinglat lut bepura na ka sarkar China ka bala thombor ya kari Tibet mentala palat henriu pusan snem tam. Bat ban kaang persya ya kejing penjot jang ke sarkar China ya ka mei mariang ha ke leng kari Tibet. Keni ka kenhon ki Samla Tibet ka kerpat ikinong ilam kari India ban penpau persya ya kejing ban beng bat jing thombor jang ke sarkar China ya ki jat ban riu kari Tibet. Kini ki mak jing dawa be kini ki Samla ki kerpat ya kiri ke perthai ban kershan lem ya kejing ang not jang ki pat ke Tibet loong Gonpo Dhunduk.
Meghalaya! Meghalaya!
Thank all the media personnel for accepting our invitation to coming here to cover this important political rally which is organized by Tibetan Youth Congress. So this is the bike relay campaign which is organized by Tibetan Youth Congress on 22nd of November 2024 from the Bumla. So Bumla is the border between Tibet and India, so which is situated in the Tawang district of Arunachal Pradesh. So we started the campaign on 22nd. So the very purpose of TYC for organizing this campaign is we have a three major objectives. First one is the Chinese Communist government. After illegal occupation of our nation, currently they are introducing a very harsh and the kind of cultural genocide policy. So the very purpose of that policy is to eliminate the very identity of Tibetan people. So we are very much concerned with the cultural genocide policy which is introduced by the so-called PRC, People's Republic of China. So with this campaign, we are drawing the support from India and international to give pressure for the Chinese government to cease or to stop the ongoing cultural genocide in Tibet. And second, with this campaign, we will be traveling to more than 20 Indian states. In terms of kilometer, we are covering more than 20,000 kilometers. With this, the second objective and the message that we want to convey is we want to thank government and people of India for the solidarity and support that we received for last more than 6 decades. Meanwhile, we also want to request and urge Indian parliamentarian to have a resolution in support of a statement saying that Tibet was an independent country and it was illegally occupied by the Chinese Communist government. And third, our objective is to highlight the deteriorating environment issue of Tibet. So with the geographical unique location of Tibet, we are known to be the third pole. So since the Chinese occupation of Tibet for last 6 decades, China is polluting Tibet environment. China is doing all kind of illegal mining in our area. They are doing the deforestation, especially they are just diverting and polluting the rivers, which is the lifeline for the many of the downstream nation. So we are very much concerned with the deteriorating environment issue of Tibet, and we are also convincing the message that the Tibet environment issue is not just for the Tibetan people, but for the global eco-balance. It's very much important to maintain or to keep Tibetan environment safe and sound. So the third objective of Tibetan Youth Congress, this bike rally, is regarding the Tibetan environment. So with the three objectives, we have started the campaign. Today is our 15th day. So we are here in Shillong. So we had, in the morning, we have interaction with our local community here. So this is the press conference that we are doing. So we are
Kaseng Federation of Khasi and Jaintia People FKJGP Nongknum Circle harangkat kinoilam ke FKJGP West Khasi Hills District. Hakasantrik NOHPRAH ke Kendo UDC ke West Khasi Hills District ubak Garrett LSN Dykes ban panjing syai halor ke jingsa teng ban pentrekam ye ke Rural Entrepreneurship Center ke bah ke Shillong Sok Paru West Khasi Hills District. Katkum kejinga tu kinoilam keseng FKJGP laong bai kini ke center la tailing ba kabang pisa R point kendai pun riu kelur tingka naka North Eastern Council. Barok ki yang kisem nak kebenta kini ke center la dapte kat ba haduk menta 4 penteri kam satya ya kini ke center. Naka liang jong DC ula kular ban sashimkia ban budin ya kini ke kam. Kasengru kanum syong that Henry kinyai budin lang nak kebenta ke bah kamiat bat kejing mentoi ki pai ba kathan hi barok kawai.
Bagasi nagalian jungi ki nangalamat khatanga FKGP ke tanah circle ni lawan banyak kendu eu sisi ban panjing tit halo ke project mate ka rural entrepreneurship center ke baru ni apa pan sampai kamu ini ka center ke nagalian ujung di sini ulah kular pun saksi kaya dengan kamar sampai sampai kamar kalau kular ini pun nang wajib kita putin halo dengan kam kena kalian jungi kaseng tunjuk ini nang budin yang dengan kam satu bahan dia orang sampai kam sama kan nang kacing mentai nang bentar pun di pai-pai juga pai ketai kadang kalau penang ini ya ni berminuan pan bu yang di soal si kalau halo ka ni kam panggil iba kacing pentrai kan ka building ala dep nadi sama macam gue dari ke susah kemarin itu kan tekam di halo kita norim nanti yang juga seng mantan
Hakasantrik NOHPRAH arjar arpesau ke SCCYM Zone 5 kelepin kamti ke ying bakalapin shna nak kebenta kin rimut ki khun swet ki basyang basa hakashnong maureng keneng. Lawan ban saki kini kejing IT kini ke ying da uba Peter Jylla usordar ke maureng keneng. Kiwei pat ki padar ki blaidon ha kini ke jingelang IT kini ke ying ki long Reverend Padar Prior Khongsit Parish Priest ke maureng keneng parish Reverend Padar Sylvester Sindrem Parish Priest ke Latkor bat Spiritual Director ke SACYM Zone 5 kinongelam bat ki khot ki seng Samla ki seng Bhalang ki bhai ngasem jong kini ki khun swet bat ki lok ki jor jong kini ke ying kesem. Ha ke jingkren u Reverend Padar Sylvester ula Khubor bakidon bun ke jing ha ke perthai namar ke jingduna ke perkhat perdan ke jingduk bat ke jing sadin. Kini ke jing kinyai te mrau ye ki babon ki briu lada kim yeng jot ban ya khun bat ban tri shitom da ke jing minot ban poi she ka thong jong ke jing job laong. Uba Peter Jylla sordar shnong uloong bekejing ais ngobha de ke ying shong ying sa kede ke bamla ban muddur bat umla ban ye nujor ne ban thau pro haduk katnu kejing bekejing sebun kala kentu ye kini keseng Samla Catholic ban le haduk kat ni namar kini kejing sebun kaya rengkat bat kejing jing ula keren melung mensim. Ula kenturu ikiseng Samla kirang ba kilong kemi begini trelang na kebenta kalawai jong kini ki khun swet. Lakerku bat la khap ribon ya kini ki ying da Reverend Padar Sylvester bat la IT no ya ka haki kena begin syong kinsa ha ka jinggerku play.
Setelah kemaksa loktra itu duduk dalam kelimat. Tang IT mentau nu sabi ha ini sim
Aga Southrik NOHPRAH kajing kop ruai ha Southwest Garo Hills kalapoi shiga grand finale balapalong ha multi facility center ampati. Baru aki kenhun ya kop kilapoi arpway teli shakani grand finale. Kinong bishar yakani final kilong Saldorik bi sangma, Johnny di sangma, bat Z di sangma. Kibara ia kanam ladu kilong Bill Sando CH Marak first prize, Cross Meda Areng second prize, but Pridison di Marak third prize. Kiway pat kibala yo buskit ki kentup ikariam bekensai kabala leche kenhun ampati achik cultural society. Hijes and Marak but Mima Gorinji sangma. Kehema Naya Kadisi kalasami ki buskit Shakinong job.
some exhibitions, maybe some food stalls and all those things we will be including in our coming programs. I would like to thank our tourist officer for competition very nicely. Also, I'd like
Kami Mentedu Community Social Welfare Association MCSWA Kliriat ringkat ke Jingiterilang ke Meghalaya AIDS Control Society MACS Shillong but ke District Legal Services Authority DLSA East Giant Hills District ha ke South Rik NOHPRAH ke laraki ke World AIDS Day ha Kliriat Community Hall East Giant Hills District halor ke pang Take the Right Path. Hakini kesengi Aditya Verma IAS SDO Sardar East Giant Hills District ulalong ke Mukongsan ringkat ke Jingedon Lang Dr. D. Jylla DMHO Dr. J. Nong Tudu Medical and Health Officer OSD Center Dr. D. Nong Plu Medical Officer in Charge ICTC UPN Swear Panel Lawyer DLSA East Giant Hills District URS J. Nong Kunri Chief Functionary MCSWA Ajoy Lanong Deputy Director Mainstreaming MACS Kinoy Lam Shnong Ki Asha bagi kinhun self-help group na kibabon kishnong. Ya kejingyalang lapenya dekakong Rinibet Patlong Program Manager. Ha kejingya kop extempore speech halor kapang HIV AIDS bala shimpenta dagi Asha na kishnong beper ka Grace Bedel Rembai ka Asha na lat Rembai ka lara ya katong jingjop ha kani kejingya kop.
Yadao mencuba juang di kondom yadao NAKA pregnancy. Yung like usmat pun kon untuk 100% dari 98%. Kata nuan daman kondom yadao hati so benda. We got na like pun kon HIV, STI, HIV, STI pun kon baka hepatitis. Ini cek jut you like nau kondom. Kecule ni kondom puro itu ni you use the jo asin. You can use have cho use bila have pipe yaki expired date yo. Kecule ini kondom puro itu dia use pun no pathak yo. Hada no pathak yo you kondom. You pi mana tak selap jo you pi dikiwa kami halang bai mo ada roy ini besok hap selesai. Jo you ada kunggo. Dengan request you pi ya kana pating mana dia pi use siang ha bo hakim plastik tak ki no pot dustbin you bilai yang thang ni se mana no pathar bigi teman ka jing you seram ya i walai duty ya kiwi he di hanya wan le iwa mentip ka onge oh ka balun na kan bayar ko CD dan ini keteni wala ong bila tumanju san minit mo yo glam use
Badak itu ke Khubor ngilapoi syakabakut tar hadup ngina syambiang keblai shibot.